Today we're going to do a reindeer, wooden reindeer on the bandsaw. It's going to look like this on the wall here. This one right here is made out of poplar and walnut. First thing we're going to do is get our block of wood cut to the width of our template, 1.5 inches. Oh no, I'm sorry, our height 1.5 inches, our width of 3 inches, and our length of about 10 inches. We use this template to draw on the side. The edge of the horns, the nose, and the knees are going to have to go flat down on the bandsaw table. So then this template is drawn on the face of my board. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out this side that I drew on. So again, the guard's just 1/4 inch above the thickness of the wood. My fingers never go in line with that blade. I cut on the outside of my line. Too tight of a radius right there, right? Starting to bind the blade. I'm going to back off a little bit. These are called relief cuts right here. Now I have that little pocket where the blade could turn in. So, fingers really not in line with the blade at all. I keep my fingers back. I have my front piece cut out now, right? I could go sand this now, but what's the advantage of cutting the rest of this out and then sanding this later? Yeah, I sand it all at the same time, so I'm actually sanding a lot less wood. If I do this cut out, I'll be sanding less wood when I sand these inside pieces. Okay, so now I have to drop the guard down to a little bit lower, just 1/4 inch above my stock. And see, this is the advantage of the reindeer. It's still going to sit flat on my tabletop. So if it's not flat on my work surface, it's going to grab and flip up. Okay, so same thing, I'm going to cut again. Keeping fingers away from the line of the blade. My fingers never in line with that blade. Okay, so there's my reindeer. And then from there, I have 2 different kinds of curves, right? I have concave curves, which get sanded on what? Spindle sander, and then convex curves, disc sander. I gotta keep it moving. Kind of roll it around. Cool little Christmas gift. It's like 10-15 minute project for Christmas gift. And then again, more sanding here with the spindle sander. Actually, I'll just go to the for a second. And then for the inside of these antlers here, I'm going to have to change the spindle. And the only really key concept here on sanding these antlers down is that you really support the antlers here. You know, so your hand really needs to be on the back supporting the antler. That. Okay, there you go, right there. 15-minute reindeer, Christmas cover. Mother's Day.